What's going on, family? Today is his first day ever welding, and right now he is going in with a 60-10. Doing pretty good, fam. He's never did it before. We've been working on him. Right now he's working on keeping a straight line and keeping a nice gap. But he's doing pretty well, fam. Life after lockup. This gentleman is just getting out of federal prison and decided to take welding to further his education, and that's what you have to do, fam. All on him. Hold on. First time ever stick welding, and we got him on the 70-18 rod right now. He's doing pretty good. We're gonna see how it turns out. We're teaching him how to use the 60-10 and the 70-18 rod. Let's go a little closer to see how he can do it. Bam, he ain't do bad. Let's knock it off and see what it look like. He gonna run the house till the house man come here. All gone, man. Doing good, Mr. Cylinder. Slow down a little bit. Yeah. Woo! You took it all the way out. You took it all the way out that time. She gonna get it. Today is her first day of class. We went from a 60-10 to a 70-18. Now she's on the 70-18 family. She's doing well. Get over here so we can see her burn. Ooh, look at that. Just keep it tight. Just keep it tight and drag it. Welding one-on-one, family. Practice make perfect. So we can tell by listening to it, she probably got a little high at one spot.
Yeah, I can tell I got too high.
I can tell just listening, I can hear how the flame was.
Yeah.
It just means you was a little too far away from the plate. But not bad. Let's clean it up and see what it looked like. It's the first one, man. Not bad. So keep it up. That's our first bead, though. All right. Family, this is his first time welding. Keep it tight. Today is his first day. He's 19 years old, and the goal is to change his life, family. And the way he's going, I think it's gonna be okay. Yeah, that's good. Keeping it tight. You see his angle. He got a good angle, good posture. He's doing good. And he's welding with a 60-10. We're starting out with 60-18 on one side of the plate. And then once they run beads on that one side, we'll flip it over. And then we'll run 70-18 on the other side of the plate. But as you see, he's doing good. He's keeping it tight. He's doing his patterns. He's doing like a circular motion. And he's just working and finessing it, taking his time. No rush. Like a walk in the park. He ain't trying to go nowhere too fast. He's doing good. Woo. We're gonna let him clean it off and see what it looks like, man. Wasn't bad. Wasn't bad. All gone.